Hello guys, welcome to Lapoint in Hoddevik. My name is João Lourenço, they call me JLo. I'm one of the surf instructors here. Today we are going to take you guys on a house tour in our beautiful Utsikten house here in Hoddevik. Here we go guys, so let's start over here. First room we have for the guests, it's the bathroom. We have the perfect shower, washing machine as well, right on time. The most important thing guys, the surf schedule. And then of course we have the beautiful kitchen. So over here in this side of the kitchen we have all the coffee, tea and sugars for use for the guests, okay? And also they can use the spices, oils for their cookings, all right? So it's almost like a house feeling. Here we have the beautiful dining room where we take the meals with our guests, all the breakfast, lunch and dinner as well. We have also some information about the other camps from Lapoint. We are always checking these ones up for deciding which way we should go next. Guys, the living room. The living room, it's a beautiful place where we hang out with the guests. We also have some theories over here. And as you can see, we are setting up our beautiful pictures from Salt and Wax, our friends. And they are mainly took here in Hoddevik. So continuing with the outdoor area, here we have our beautiful deck where we sit with the guests to enjoy beautiful coffee, beautiful beer, enjoy the sunset as well. One of the best parts of the house, which is our beautiful sauna. It's a wonderful wooden sauna. It can fit at least around 10 people inside, where we usually take some beers and enjoy the warm weather here, tropical weather. Here it's where we can actually enjoy a beautiful beer after an intensive session in the Hoddevik beach with our guests and relax, of course, for the next session. So keeping up with the tour, we have to also, of course, show you the rooms. Let's go! We have 3 main rooms, twin room on your right side, 3 bedroom over here on your left, and also a 5 bedroom over here on your right side. So in this house we can accommodate until 10 people. All of the surf equipment is down there at the beach on the board shack of Lapoint. We are still renovating and developing a new basement for new structures over here. So new and exciting things to come here in Hoddevik, and I can't wait to see you guys soon.